Hi, if you are new to CodeZym, then you may be having a few questions, like how to code the solution in your local code editor such as IntelliJ, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse or NetBeans. And most importantly, how to test your code. In the next couple of minutes, I will clear all these doubts. First of all, create a folder in your laptop or desktop and then create an empty file named solution.java, solution with a capital S. As of now, you can code only in Java till Java 11 is supported. Other languages like Python, C++, JavaScript are not supported. Then open the folder you created in the code editor of your choice, such as IntelliJ. You may be asked to set up JDK, choose Java 11 or Java 8. We will use question number 6, web page visits counted for our example because this is an easy question. Select all and copy default code from code editor on the right. Next, we paste this copied code inside solution.java file that we created. Also, we need to right click on the folder and mark this directory as sources root. This will give us method autocomplete and highlight compilation error feature. After marking the directory as sources root, we can see that our code has compilation errors. To remove the compilation errors, we need to scroll to bottom and uncomment this helper code at the bottom. Once we uncommented the code at the bottom, we see that all our compilation errors are gone now. Next, we complete solution for the given problem. This is an easy question, so the solution is simple and a few lines of code. Notice that we haven't added any public static void main method or any kind of testing code. Testing will be taken care by the CodeZym testing engine when we copy this code to the CodeZym editor and hit the submit or run button. Also, I haven't changed method signature of any of the existing methods in class solution. This will help us actually help the CodeZym testing engine to call the correct methods from the solution class when the code is submitted. Next, we copy our completed code back to the CodeZym editor. Here also I have mentioned not to add any main method or any testing code. You do not need to spawn your own threads and all. Those things will be taken care by the CodeZym editor when we hit this run button or this submit button. I will suggest you to read these important notes in case you are confused about a few things. We have pasted our completed solution in the CodeZym editor. As you can see this. Now I wanted to show you something. Let's run this code. So basically it will compile and then it will run all test cases. But this is what I wanted to show you. You see you are getting duplicate interface definition error for this Q06 web page visit counter interface. This is happening because we had uncommented this helper code at the bottom, so we need to comment it back. So let me comment it back and then we will run it again. Now let's run this again and see for ourselves. So it is running. The code has compiled successfully and now it will run all the test cases. As you can see, all test cases have passed. For the sample tests, there are 2 test cases. Let's submit it and let's see if it passes all the test cases. The code has compiled. As the test keep running, you will see the number of test cases will keep changing here. For example, right now 2 test cases have successfully completed. Right now 4 test cases have completed, 7 now. All of our test cases have passed, so we know that our solution is indeed correct. This was our solution. This was all you need to know to get started. If you have further questions, you can reach out to us on email. I wish you the best of luck in your interview preparation and wish you a great career ahead.